Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's delve into interrogative sentence, definition, types, and examples. Let's get started. An interrogative sentence is one of the four basic types of sentence in English which is used to ask a question. Interrogative sentence structure or word order is WH question / auxiliary verb / modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. As the name suggests, interrogative sentences function as questions, i.e. ask questions. Continue watching to learn interrogative sentence definition, meaning, uses, types, and examples with clear explanation. This video covers the following topics. Interrogative sentence definition. What is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence example. More examples of interrogative sentence. Types of interrogative sentence. Frequently asked questions. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence definition and meaning. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that is used to ask a direct question and not indirect question. Interrogative sentences end in question marks. The word order or structure of interrogative sentences is WH question, word, / auxiliary verb, / modal verb, plus subject, plus verb, plus any other element. According to the definition above, we can define an interrogative sentence in the following points. Number 1. An interrogative sentence is one of the four basic types of sentence in English. The three types of sentence in English are 1. Declarative sentence. This type of sentence makes a statement or announcement as in, John is a good boy. Number 2. Imperative sentence. This type of sentence gives a command or order as in, go there. Number 3. Exclamatory or exclamative sentence. This type of sentence expresses surprise as in, what a beautiful house it is. Number 2. An interrogative sentence asks a direct question. A direct question is a normal question starting with either an auxiliary verb or WH question word or modal verb. Look at the interrogative sentences asking direct questions. A. Interrogative sentences asking direct questions with auxiliary verbs. Do you like apples? Did you go to the market? Were you present in the class? Have you submitted your assignment? Are you late today? B. Interrogative sentences asking direct questions with WH question words. Why are you late? When will you finish writing your homework? Why did you lend him $100? Where are you going? Who are you going with? C. Interrogative sentences asking direct questions with modal verbs. Can you lift 50 kilograms? Will you go to the market? Could you give me your pen? Shall I go with you? Should I help the poor? Number 3. Interrogative sentence doesn't ask an indirect question. An indirect question is a type of question used in the form of either a statement or an order or with another direct question. Look at the sentences containing indirect questions. A. Indirect questions in forms of statements. I wonder how this little kid can speak English fast. He asked her if she listens to music. I wonder why you're late today. B. Indirect questions in forms of orders. Show me how I can do it. Please tell which book I should read. Ask John if he likes juice. C. Indirect questions with a direct question. Could you please inform me who I should contact? Can you please tell me how I can do it? Will you tell me why this works this way? 4. An interrogative sentence ends in a question mark or rising voice. In writing, an interrogative sentence ends in a question mark, whereas it ends in the rising voice in speaking. Interrogative sentence examples. Can you help me please? Do you like movies? Have you seen the Titanic movie? Why are you late today? Could you please show me whom I should contact? More examples of interrogative sentences. Here are a few more interrogative sentence examples. All of the interrogative sentence examples contain all types of questions such as information-based questions and yes-no questions starting with WH question words, auxiliary verbs, and modal verbs. Look at the following examples of interrogative sentence. Number 1. Where are you going? Why do you think so? When does she go to bed? Which book do they like most? Who is he talking to? Are you free today? Were they present at the conference? Has she submitted her homework? Had he gone before she came? Is he married? Can you help me please? Would you open the door? Could you lend me your book? Shall I go with him? Should I see a doctor? Types of interrogative sentence. Like a declarative sentence, an interrogative sentence is classed into two kinds. 1. Affirmative interrogative sentence. 2. Negative interrogative sentence. An affirmative interrogative sentence is a type of interrogative sentence which asks a question, starts with a WH word, auxiliary verb, or modal verb, doesn't contain negative words such as no, never, or not. Affirmative interrogative sentence examples. Number 1. Why are you going to the market? 2. Are you busy today? 3. Can you lift 50 kilograms? 2. A negative interrogative sentence is a type of interrogative sentence which asks a question, starts with a WH word, auxiliary verb, or modal verb and contains negative words such as no, never, or not. Negative interrogative sentence examples. 1. Why are you not going to the market? Is he no one to you? Can you never lift 100 kilograms? Note: a declarative sentence can be used to ask a question in both writing and speaking, as in, John has left the home. Imperative vs. interrogative sentence. An imperative sentence structure is verb plus any other element. It functions as an order. It's used with a hidden subject. Imperative sentence examples: 1. Leave now. 2. Do it quickly. 3. Get it packed for me. On the other hand, an interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that is used to ask a direct question and not indirect question. Interrogative sentences end in question marks. The word order or structure of interrogative sentences is WH question word / auxiliary verb, modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. Interrogative sentence examples: Is John your friend? Can you help me please? Why do they not care about you? Interrogative sentence vs. declarative sentence. An interrogative sentence structure is WH word / auxiliary verb / modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. An interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. It ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence examples: Why are you late today? Do you know him? Can you help me please? On the other hand, a declarative sentence structure is subject plus verb plus any other element. It makes a declaration. It's used with an explicit subject. It ends with a full stop or period. Declarative sentence examples: John is my close friend. I love my daughter very much. He will never forgive you. Exclamatory vs. interrogative sentence. An exclamatory sentence structure is what plus noun plus subject plus verb or how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. An exclamatory, also known as exclamative sentence, is used to express surprise. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence examples: What an idiot person you are. How beautiful she is. On the other hand, an interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that is used to ask a direct question and not indirect question. Interrogative sentences end in question marks. The word order or structure of interrogative sentences is WH question words, auxiliary verb, modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. Interrogative sentence examples: Is John your best friend? Why do you care about her? Can you go with him? Frequently asked questions. Interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is the type of sentence that is used to ask a direct question and not indirect question. Interrogative sentences end in question marks. The word order or structure of interrogative sentences is WH question word / auxiliary verb / modal verb plus subject plus verb plus any other element. Interrogative sentence definition. According to Cambridge Dictionary, interrogative sentences are defined as interrogative clauses, most commonly function as questions, which means that an interrogative sentence is a type of sentence that is used to function as a question. Interrogative sentence examples. Where are you going? Why do you think so? When does she go to bed? Which book do they like most? Who is he talking to? Are you free today? Were they present at the conference? Has she submitted her homework? Had he gone before she came? So, there you go guys. This video ends here about interrogative sentence, definition, types, and examples. Thanks for watching.